Hello. So the project for this is Anime Keychain, and the group members with me, Vince the Conception and William Doring. So we got the idea to do this because our proposed lecture was to use the Onshape, which is for 3D printing. And one of the main products from 3D printing would be keychains. So we proposed ideas on what we should make, and we decided the project will be anime themed keychains. Keys are very useful for households because it it stores the car keys, house keys, and other keys, and also keeps others from opening doors that they should not be opening, and it keeps them secure from external interference. It is easy to lose keys because they're monotonous and the weight isn't really that significant. There has always been a lot of designs for keychains, and it caters to the needs and wants of multiple people. Some designs are hardly made to be used for protection and utility, while others were based on fashion. They're also useful to connect things with. An example would be keeping a wallet connected to your bank so they don't fall or they're not stolen. And also keeping key a key fob secure so it is not lost. So we decided to go through with the idea of anime keychain since anime has been a very trendy way of entertainment and the reputation for it has been improving through the years compared to when it first started to spread through the United States. And since it is easy to recognize most of the animes today, it makes it recognizable, and if the size is enough, it can also make it more visible for the person to see the keychains. And if the design is good enough, it can also help relieve stress. And if the hobby is related to the keychain, it keeps the person entertained and may invite the person to buy even more. So the main pros to this one is will be a laptop and a 3D printer, which can speak about how they use by themselves. The parts that are needed to present this would be a key, the keychain, the chain, and then the product itself, the anime keychain. And this would be the design that I decided for my part. For the left part would be a Pokeball, and for the right part would be a sword, since they are both very recognizable as long as you know enough culture. So we exchanged ideas by brainstorming what we should do, and we decided on the main one, and then we decided to share the responsibilities on making each branch. Even though the ones on the paper may be different, but there will be similarities to them. The functionality of the design for my part would be there's gonna be a tail part where the keychain and the ring will be connected to, which will make it very easy for the connection. People would buy this product mostly because it is it is a very entertaining design since most people actually know about Pokemon, which is the reference for the Pokeball, and then the sword. You'd be interested in it as long as you like fantasy, action. Mm, that's it. Thank you very much for listening.